Okay, if you're gonna get out in the cold this winter, do it in a way that gives you goosebumps, for the right reasons. Hear me out. Imagine for a moment that you knew what you were capable of. No horizon would be safe, no peak left undiscovered. You'd go as far as the eye can see just to prove to yourself that you can. Somewhere so close to your friends, so far away from home. Right where you belong. You go higher than you've ever been on foot. You breathe air cleaner than you've ever tasted at home. You'd get to know your remarkable capacity for discovering and rediscovering your own home planet. But I know what you're thinking. How will you know when it's the peak of your life? You won't. You'll feel it. Ski under the stars. Dance with strangers in ski boots. Break bread with your best mates at altitude. Water ski way above sea level. Or get lost in the deepest powder you've ever seen. The Ski Week is a series of boutique ski festivals staged in hand-picked mountain towns around the world. 7 days and 7 nights to live out a peak winter experience. So call your people. You know a girl, and we know you know a guy. You know the ones who would be perfect for this. Besides, what's a few snowflakes between friends when the peak of your life is waiting?